Have you ever tried manifesting money with the law of attraction? I don't think I need to question this and get the answer to each and every one of you, because whenever people think about law of attraction and attracting something with law of attraction in their life, they always think about attracting money. It's always the first or second, or at least it has made it up to the top 5 thoughts that a normal person gets when they think about attracting with the law of attraction. So in today's video, I have this wallet technique you can use, which is very simple for you to use to attract abundance into your life. Hello, and welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, hello. As I have already mentioned today's topic, let's get started. Before jumping right into the wallet technique, I would like to inform you about other techniques you can use to attract money into your life. If you have clicked on this video, you sure do want to attract abundance and prosperity into your life. And I have posted many videos in this channel where I talk about attracting abundance, prosperity, and happiness in your life. So do check them out. One of the techniques which seem to be very effective technique for most of the people is the pillow technique. I posted this pillow technique a while ago, and seems like many people have tried and tested this technique and have got the perfect result out of this technique. So what this pillow technique? Pillow technique requires you to use the power of your visualization. When we talk about the law of attraction and we go into the depths of law of attraction, everything is related to visualization and beliefs and thoughts. So in this pillow technique, you use the power of your visualization to vividly visualize the money you want in your bank account. I have explained this technique in more detail in that video, so do check that video out if you want very effective action and very fast abundance in your life. It has worked for me, it has worked for many people, and I am sure that it will work for you too. By saying this, if you don't want to do too much work, and if you just want to raise your vibration, you can use this wallet technique, because this wallet technique is all about raising your vibration. Another thing about law of attraction is that you have to know how to raise your vibration. Knowing how to raise your vibration means that you are vibrating in that frequency of your desires. Now, if you are a constant follower of this channel or any other spiritual coach, you must have heard them saying that you should vibrate in certain state. Now, what does this vibrating in certain state mean? So, for those of you who are hearing this for the first time, we as a human being made out of atoms and subatomic particles which are always vibrating. We cannot feel it, we cannot see it, but we are always vibrating with those atoms, and there are vibrations present around us. Similarly, we cannot see those vibrations that are present around us, but we can feel those vibrations. For example, when someone is angry, when you are in a room where one person is angry, you feel that anger in your vibration too. You feel kind of set down because of that one person who is vibrating in low frequency. Similarly, when you are with a very excited group of friends, and someone is very excited to do something, you feel like you should be vibrating in that state too. You get hyper with them, and you vibrate in a higher frequency. Therefore, we are always vibrating, and we can decide which vibration we want to vibrate in. So, with this wallet technique, you are raising your vibration into the vibration of abundance and prosperity. You are reaching the vibration of the abundance and prosperity, vibrations that are present in your surroundings. And when your vibration and the abundance and prosperity vibration match, you end up attracting those abundance and prosperity into your life. I know this sounds crazy, but this is true. We believe in things because we want to have that consistency in positive vibration. We have been visualizing things because we want to reach up to the vibration of our desires. We pray and we say affirmations because we want to reach up to that vibration and vibrate in that frequency so we can attract our desire. So this is all the theory behind the wallet technique. Now, I will tell you what the wallet technique is. So, the wallet techniques simply requires you to keep your wallet full, that's it. Now, by making your wallet full does not mean you start to keep anything in your wallet. A wallet is something to store money, to store those paper bills would you pay different things. And so when you are storing money in your wallet, store as many notes as you can. And I say this because whenever you look at your wallet, you have to feel rich. Whatever we feel we attract. It's not only whatever we see we attract. The law of attraction talks about our feelings and our life building up through those feelings. So, when you have a full wallet of all the notes and only the notes and coins, then you will feel abundant, you will feel rich. Whenever you look into your wallet and you cannot button up your wallet, and you are finding it hard to just put down your wallet because there is too much money in your wallet that represents abundance, you feel abundance. The thing to notice here is that don't fill your wallet with all those bills and expenses that you get from various stores. Don't store them in your wallet because they only represent what you have spent, and whenever you look at those bills and look at the money you spent, you feel the negativity. You feel like you are spending too much money in various things. You might even feel like saying, I lost this much money into buying something today. And you feel that lack of money, you go back into the vibration of lack. And the main thing is that all we have to do is not go towards the vibration of lack. Avoid going towards the vibration of lack. If you spent some money today, then let it go. Let that money, because money has to always flow. You cannot always keep money and say that I am rich. You have to be able to adjust with the flow of money in the society. So when you are getting something or buying something or spending your money in something, feel grateful. Don't feel negativity. Feel grateful that you are able to buy those things. Let it go and the money will come running back to you. Once you completely let go of the money that you have spent and you feel grateful that you are able to purchase those things, you are vibrating in the vibration of gratitude. And gratitude is the best thing to attract money. Gratitude is the multiplier of anything that you feel gratitude towards. So that's the wallet technique. Keep your wallet full. And another thing to keep in mind is that don't fill your wallet with debit or credit cards because that will just make your wallet very thin. The whole mechanism of the wallet technique is that whenever you look into your wallet, you have to feel the positivity. You have to feel the positivity through that thickness of the wallet. Whenever you look at the money, you have to be like, oh, I am rich, rather than saying, oh, I have debit card or credit card. I have money in it, and you don't know how much money you have, but you just have money in it. That is like you are vibrating in the same vibration that you are vibrating right now. So that is all about the wallet technique. Try the swallow technique and raise your vibration and attracts more abundance and prosperity into your life after you do this. Comment down below about your experience with this wallet technique because I am excited to hear about your story related to this wallet technique. That is all for today. But if you want to know more about manifestation and want to embark on the journey of spirituality, then do not forget to check out this channel. I post everything interesting for you to witness and grab knowledge. Therefore, do not miss out on anything posted in the channel. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.